Samsung is set to launch the Galaxy A16 in both 4G and 5G variants, with notable upgrades from its predecessor. A European retailer listing has revealed its complete specifications. As per the listings, the Galaxy A16 boasts a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen, an increase from the A15's 6.5 inches. It offers full HD+ resolution, 2340 by 1080 pixels, with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 800 nits. This model marks the first in Samsung's A16 series to include an IP54 rating, providing splash and dust resistance. Additionally, the phone has been slimmed down to 7.9mm from the previous 8.4mm. The 4G model is expected to run on MediaTek's Helio G99 chipset, while the 5G variant will use Samsung's Exynos 3030 in Europe. Other regions, including India and Thailand, may see the 5G model powered by the Dimensity 6300 SoC. Both versions come with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, with no additional memory configurations planned for the European market. For photography, it has a 50-megapixel main camera, 5-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2-megapixel macro lens on the rear, accompanied by a 13-megapixel front-facing selfie camera. A 5000 mAh battery fuels the device, supporting 25W charging. The Galaxy A16 series will receive 6 years of software support, including operating system upgrades and security patches, offering long-term value for users. Although the exact launch date is still unknown, the leak hints at a possible launch window in December 2024. In other news, Samsung is actively testing the Galaxy A56, recently spotted in the Geekbench database, confirming it will feature the Exynos 1580 SoC. This processor performs similarly to the Snapdragon 888, indicating strong mid-range performance for 2025.